and welcome back to the channel, guys. We are back. I've been gone a couple weeks, and if you've been in my live stream, you know why. If not, I'll go ahead and let you guys know. I did get COVID, and I've been inside the house, not been doing much of anything. Let's just put it this way, it's not fun to get, and we'll leave it at that. But guys, we are back. We are back at it. Clear to go. We are headed to the drag strip and gonna have a little fun. It's been a while since I've been out to the drag strip, so I'm looking forward to be back out there. And it's been a while since I've been out of the house, so highly enjoying being out of the house and not being cooped up anymore. But yeah, so we'll see ya. All right, guys, we are gonna make our first pass. In our first pass, we are running Caleb with Foxcast Media. So he wanted some competition beside him to try to get him to run faster, a little motivation. So we're gonna have a little fun trip down the drag strip. I've got it on 7 pounds of boost. That's pretty much Wastegate, guys. So all right, guys, we are about ready to go. Like I said, we got Caleb beside us, Foxcast Media. I'm going to go ahead and start my log. Get ready to go on up here, guys. He jumped me and I took out. Thank you, sir. Sir. Yeah, 701 at 106, 175.60. All right, so we finally got the race you guys wanted, and Caleb got excited and took the. I did not get excited. I took the hit. You purposely did that. I did. I'm gonna admit it. You know, I can hear the turbo spooling. I was like, I'm going. I don't blame you. I would have tried it too. I still came around you pretty good, though. I can't get this thing out of hole 3. No, but anyway, guys, so we finally got the race done for you guys. I wish we could have done it when I was in A, because I ran like a 7.5, 7.4, and that's pretty much what you run. Yep. That'd have been a really good run, but we couldn't make it happen. But anyway, guys, hopefully we got some changes coming from this winter. That's what I'm hoping for. But guys, if you don't watch Foxcast, go check out Foxcast Media. Go check his channel out. They do some crazy Coyote swaps over there, and got a lot of stuff going on right now. A lot of blower cars, turbo cars, and stuff like that out in the shop. Bunch. All right, so guys, go check out Foxcast Media. But had a good run out of this. Pretty much, I gave you Wastegate. I gave you 7 pounds, and that's right at my Wastegate. You came around me like a freaking freight train. Man, but yeah, it was fun though. When you jumped me, I was like, and I sat there. You jumped me. I was like, no, he didn't. I took off. I was playing that the whole time. Anyway, guys, had a lot of fun. I imagine we might run them again. We'll see. All right, guys, so we'll catch you here in just a few. And Chris, you wanted to ride in the car today too, didn't you? Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna give him a ride in the car. All right, guys, we're gonna run it again. Alright, that's 2 runs and drive. I'm gonna put it in sport the rest of the day. Pulls a lot of time in drive. So thank you, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah, 70105. So gonna put it back down in sport with a pull less timing in between shifts. 173.60 that time. So I've got better on the 60. 70105.8. Put it down in sport mode the rest of the day, and then we'll turn up the boost a little here, a little there. I got the boost turned up just a little, not a whole lot, just a little, 50% duty cycle instead of where it's at running the 7 pounds. So hopefully we run around 7.5, 8 pounds. I'm trying to find out where 8 pounds is on this so I can train 8 pounds like I have 7 pounds trained on my setting. But we're gonna do that, and I've got to remember to put this thing in sport after the burnout, and because it does matter with Daryl's tune, the way the timing gets pulled and everything else is a lot more lazy in drive than it is in sport. Felt a lot better. Now that was sport mode, not 8 pounds of boost. We hit 8 pounds of boost at 50% duty cycle, so now I'm gonna hit that, and that is now trained. So we're good. Now we're trained on 8 pounds of boost. Now I can set all my gain and my other up. Yeah, guys, when I leave it and drive, you can just feel it pulling power in between shifts. It's lazy. That felt really good. Thank you, sir. Yeah, so there you go, guys. There's a difference between pound of boost and drive and sport. So 107 at 688 with a 172. So yeah. All right, guys, so we got 3 runs in at that time. Caleb, getting it there. Wait till next season. Guys, you guys are going to want to see what happens to this thing for next season. You're going to want to see.
Yeah, I'm going to go have a pound. It's consistent. It's consistently slow.
Alright, man. I mean, you're a truck motor with Mustang cams, manual transmission. You know, you still got what, 410 in the back? 373s in the back? So yeah, there you go. You got so much room, but I cannot talk about what's coming for this car, but you want to go check out his channel because next year is going to be a blast. Caleb is going home to watch football.
And I need a clean new edge body.
Yeah, guys, he's looking for a clean new edge rolling body or running, whatever you got. Holler at us if you got one. 99 to 04 GT new edge. He's looking for one, guys. But yeah. Well, man, he's gonna go watch some football. I'm not a football guy. I'm gonna stay here the rest of the evening. Man, be safe, bro.
You guys have fun. Good seeing you.
All right, bro.
Next Sunday.
All right. Man, that thing sounds so good. All right, guys, but yeah, we went 688 at 107. Yep. Oh yeah, there you go. 688, 107. That was in sport mode. Man, did it look a lot better?
It did.
Did it?
It did. Whenever you actually took off, I saw it. Whenever on the shifts, it did not. That nose did not come down the whole way.
Yeah, that's the thing. In drive, on Daryl's tuning drive, it will pull a lot of time in between shifts. But that's the way he has it set up. So on the street, it's kind of a lot more streetable.
Yeah.
Anyway, we're gonna hopefully get another couple passes in. I'm gonna hopefully get Chris in the passenger seat here in a little bit. Actually, the next run, we'll probably leave it on that boost and give you a ride. Okay. That's 8 pounds of boost.
All right.
Because you've only been in this car on Wastegate.
Yes.
So 8 pounds of boost, booking. We're gonna give him a ride down the track. So stay tuned for that, guys. And guys, one other thing. This car right here is stock except for muffler delete, right? He's running 790s. He's running 790s. You guys got a stock tune in the car.
Yep.
Stock tune, 93, full weight, guys. Full weight in the car. He's running 790s, guys, on 93. That is, dude, these cars are so impressive. So what's the plans for it?
I'm gonna start off with long tubes, JTL and E85. Go from there. Eventually, I want to go to a supercharger. Try to run 850 horse.
Dude, that thing's gonna be evil with a VMP supercharger on it. Evil. Oh, me. I'm supposed to be doing a video with a guy that put one on his car. He's gonna bring it down. I'm gonna go up there one way or another. He's from Bowling Green.
Yeah.
And do a video on that car. Because I haven't been in a VMP car yet. So I've been in a Whipple, I've been in a Pro Charge, I've been in, of course, Twin Turbo. It's not a VMP. I hear some good things about it though. You guys, I'm impressed. 93 tune, stock 93 tune, and running 790s out here on 93. That's impressive, guys. All right, so we'll catch you here in a few. All right, guys, we got Chris in the car. We had to go help Caleb out. He had a little issue with his car. I had to go help him out. So we got back to the track in time enough for one more pass. And so we're gonna go ahead and do this. Leave it on 8 pounds of boost. Let it run like it did last time. Different, ain't it?
I'm acting like a kid. Let's do it again. I ain't never had a car. I ain't never drove a car that had that kind of a pull. Good Lord.
Yeah. We went 688 a while ago by myself.
And I'm 300 pounds, 300 pounds.
You're almost 300. So yeah, we probably ran a 690 something. Man, you have a good night, bud.
Yes, sir, you too.
701 at 105. So yeah, 300 pounds. It made a little difference. Guys, weight does make a difference.
Yeah, it does make a difference.
Yeah, because I went 688 by myself earlier.
I mean, think about it. That's still, which means if I wouldn't have been here, that's 3/10. That would have put you 670s.
All right, guys, so we went down the track, ran a 7.0 with Chris in the car, which wasn't bad. We were right at 8 pounds of boost that run. I went 688 before on 8 pounds of boost, but this car has been a 674 on 7 pounds and some good air. The air was kind of warm today, humid a little bit. I'll put the DA somewhere right here for you guys. But anyway, what did you think about it?
I've been in some car. I've never been in a car this fast. My fastest car I've ever been in is probably high mid sevens. And this car, I've never felt something that it's almost like you described. It's just like it's pushing against you the whole time. And I ain't gonna lie, I had that that little fizzy feeling. I was just like, ooh, ooh.
Yeah, the car is fun. I love giving people a ride in the car, and once we turn it up some more, we'll actually give you another ride in the car also. But guys, stay tuned to the channel. Probably next weekend or after, sometime really close, we're going to be taking this down to Hellhorse Performance down in Houston, Texas. And when we do, I will let everybody know that I'm there. Xander and I will be down there, and we are going to put the 4-to-1 1 5/8 headers on there. This has got stock modified headers on it, so we'll be putting the 4-to-1 headers on it, and the rest of the kit that he's changed up also, the down pipes, cold pipes, and stuff like that. Another thing, guys, is I did turn on the membership button, so if you want to, down below next to where it says subscribe, it's got a join button. That is totally up to you. You don't have to by no means, but if you want to, you can go ahead, click the join button and join up. And what I'm doing there is I'm actually in my community post, I'm like giving you guys pictures and little information in between videos as kind of like a thank you. And we might do some other things as time goes on, depending on how many members we get and stuff like that. So guys, if you want to, that's down below. Like I said, you do not have to, just if you want to. But anyway, guys, that's going to pretty much round up this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't, and we will see you next time.